Hi, my name is Mike Veny, and last year I had the honor of coming to the Champlain Valley to deliver two of my Transforming Stigma into Strength presentations. I just want to say thank you to all of you who showed up for both presentations and how you've kept in touch with me and just made me feel so welcome. I'm super excited to be coming back to the Champlain Valley. I'm going to be doing 4 workshops of the Fill Your Cup, the Exhausted Educator's Guide to Emotional Wellness workshop, and 1 keynote presentation of Transforming Stigma into Strength for those of you who haven't seen it before. Or if you really want to come out again, I would love to see you. That being said, we got a lot going on in the world right now. And even though we're in this post-COVID world, things just are not so normal. The kids that came back from COVID are not the same kids that were there before COVID. Behavior issues are at an all-time high. Social media in schools and classrooms are just a problem. And let's be honest, the world we're in right now, the economy, how that affects children in poverty in rural America, the politics in the world, just everything that's happening is making it really difficult on everyone's mental health. So it's important that you have tools and strategies that you can use to navigate this world. And so in the Fill Your Cup workshop, you're going to get practical tools and skills that you can use. It's one of my favorite workshops to give, and you'll get a free copy of the book, Fill Your Cup, The Exhausted Educator's Guide to Emotional Wellness. And this book is just full of so many things that you can use for yourself. And the great thing about it is you'll have a copy of the book, and anything you learn you can share with your family, friends, or in a classroom. So we have those 4 events plus the keynote, and during each event we'll be giving out fun wellness prizes. So if for no other reason, come because you get prizes. I love prizes. We got blender bottles, Stanley cups, pickleball sets, and much more. Fill Your Cup counts for 3 CTLE credits, and Transforming Stigma counts for 1 CTLE credit, and a book will be provided at each event with bottled water and snacks. So at the very least, you get free bottled water and snacks. That's a reason to come out. But I would love to see you. I'd love to talk with you. And I'm looking forward to hanging out with you again in the Champlain Valley. Again, there's 4 Fill Your Cup workshops that you can sign up for. I really encourage you to do that. They're really powerful. And the Transforming Stigma into Strength presentation. Looking forward to seeing you all in the Champlain Valley.